If you want to see how a place looked in the past, Google Maps offers a feature called Historical Street View Imagery. This lets you view previous versions of a location and compare how it has changed over time. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for the location you want to explore. This could be a street, building, landmark, or any place supported by Street View. Once the location appears, click on it and then drag the Pegman icon onto the map. The Pegman is the small yellow figure used to activate Street View. Drop it on a blue highlighted road to enter Street View mode. After entering Street View, your screen will switch to a ground-level view of the location. This is where you can explore the area as if you were standing there. Look at the top left corner of the screen. If historical imagery is available for that location, you will see an option labeled See More Dates. Clicking this option will open a timeline showing different years or months when Street View images were captured. Not all locations have multiple dates, but major roads and cities often do. Select a date from the timeline. Once selected, the view will change to show how the location looked at that specific time. You can move around the street just like a normal Street View, but using older imagery. This feature is useful for comparing changes in buildings, roads, construction progress, or urban development over time. It gives a visual history of how a place has evolved. If you want to return to the present view, simply close the timeline or select the most recent date available. Keep in mind that historical imagery depends on when Google last captured Street View data, so availability will vary by location. Some areas may only have one version, while others may have several years of updates. And that's how you look up historical Street View images in Google Maps. Enter Street View, click See More Dates, then select a previous version to explore how a place looked in the past.